Go ahead, Evan. Give it a crank. What is our end game today?
End game is to get most of the sound deadening out if we can. I want to put my steering wheel on, so we can do that.
Yep.
We got a headlight
Yeah.
for the driver's side. And we also got, what else did we get? Oh yeah, we got a set of mirrors that's actually complete, so. Because the mirror on the passenger door doesn't have the glass in it, so. Yeah.
More junk collecting.
Yep, exactly.
That should just come right out.
Well, you gotta get it out from under here. That's a task in itself. How is it?
There we go.
We don't need that. Alright, so we're gonna be taking some dry ice, spreading it all over this, getting rid of this sound deadening.
Oh, that's easy to work with.
Probably not what I wanted to do.
Oh wow, that's working really well.
Wait, we gotta.
Huh.
Goodbye. Fuck that.
Oh man.
This is amazing.
Look at that. So easy.
Nice.
While Evan's working on the sound editing, I am going to start treating the motor. So since this guy hasn't started in God who knows how long,
Probably at least 2 years.
2 years I'd say. Well, we're gonna put in a couple drops of Marvel Mystery Oil. Now that's gonna soak into the rings and lubricate the walls. So after letting it sit for a couple hours, we're gonna slowly hand crank the motor so it lubricates the walls before we do a compression test. And yeah, hopefully it's healthy. Teaspoons down the sparkle holes. Big piece.
That's really heavy too.
Really?
Like for what it is.
Huh.
Like, goodbye.
Oh, they're making this vibrate like crazy. Most of the floor sorted already. So yeah, you can see here, the panel is just about bare. We still need to do the side ones up here and all along the angled slope because like we couldn't really rest the ice onto it. Probably need to use the big block or something, or just take our time to chisel it away slowly. But there's a significant difference between throwing ice on it and just like chiseling away without the ice. But hey, yeah, we're almost there. We're just gonna do the cabin part for now, and then once we get the motor out,
this out, then we can.
that'll be another day.
It's fine. We need more dry ice. We only have one more block, and it's kind of. Yeah.
It's been a couple hours now, and we got pretty much most to all of the sound editing out. The tricky parts are now the bits by the footwell, by the firewall actually. I'm using a block of ice and like propping it up. Our verdict is basically the more dry ice you have, the easier this job will be. Like Evan was going on the parts like back there where the seat is without dry ice, and it's doable with a hammer and chisel. It's easier when you just lay the ice on, give it like a minute or so, and just lift it up. Just crack it right off. Boom. So it's been a couple hours, and now I'm just gonna slowly crank the motor to lubricate the walls. But it spins very freely, which is great. I'm gonna pour some more, and then after that we should be good to do a compression test. Alrighties. So now this. Yeah,
Nice.
here we go. Both the lights are on. Now all you need is the hood and the bumper, and the whole front end will be back together. Sweet.
I don't have to film this. I'm not ready yet.
It's fine.
I don't even think this is the right size. I don't know what you're filming. I have to take this off now.
Filming everything.
Don't film this!
I will film this.
Don't film it!
Everyone wants to see your mistakes.
Nice. Now, time for minority. Do that nice and straight. Nice. Oh man. This was.
Give it a toot.
There's no battery.
Nice.
That was a up garage find. Basically brand new. 150 bucks. With the horn button. It's my favorite Nardi ever. It's perfect for this. Yeah.
And with that,
Nice and clean.
yeah, it was a relatively kind of painless job, honestly.
And with that, stock seats just temporarily.
Yeah.
Not staying anyway, but this is the first time I'm sitting in my own car.
How does it feel?
It was very cool. The steering wheel is in my knees, and it needs to come back. Like,
Yeah.
we want to do the T3 tall short throw shifter.
Yeah.
If it's too short, like the white car, I'm really reaching for like third and fifth, but like with the long, I'm fine. Ideally, one that would have like a bend in it would be cool too, but the T3 one looks like it'll work like just fine. Just get rid of this. That's in gear. Get rid of the slop.
So I unplugged all the coils plugs, and the spark plugs are on except the number 1 cylinder. So go ahead, Evan, give it a crank. Nope. Do it again.
Battery's dead.
Huh.
The light went off.
All right, so I guess when you went to crank, the starter kind of surged, and now we don't have power to anything. So there seems to be some electrical issues with this car, so we're gonna have to delve in deeper before we can start really like trying to start it or crank it or whatever. In the meantime, we'll just jump the starter to get a compression test, but for now we're kind of like out of time, so yeah, that's about it. We've kind of cleaned up. So you successfully got all the sound deadening out, well, most of it.
There's like a tiny bit left that I didn't feel like doing today, and we have to do all of the rear section another day, so I'll tackle it then. Literally did most of what I wanted to do today. Got my wheel in, got all of this sound deadening gone basically, and we picked up a correct headlight for the passenger side. So now we have 2 headlights, even though one's blue. Yeah, coming together. It's only like week, 3 that we've had the car? Yeah, so stay tuned.
Next time on Progression D.
Anyways, it's ready.